Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Christine, and today we'll be diving into Article 11, the teacher as a person. This article reminds us that before we become great teachers, we must first be great humans. Because let's be honest, students may forget the lesson, but they never forget the teacher. So, what is Article 11 about? Article 11 is basically the character check of the Code of Ethics. It talks about how teachers should behave, not just in school, but everywhere. Think of it as the rule that says teaching is a profession, not an on and off switch. Alright, section 1. A teacher shall live with dignity in all places at all times. Section 1 says teacher must live with dignity at all times. That means even when you're tired, hungry, or stuck in a traffic. No dramatic scenes. A teacher should act like a teacher, even when buying fish at the market. Imagine a teacher in a crowded jeepney. Someone bumps into them. Instead of saying, "Hoy!" the teacher smiles and says, "It's okay." That's dignity. And also, good classroom management skills outside the classroom. Section 2. A teacher shall place premium upon self-respect and self-discipline as the principles of personal behavior in all relationship with others and all situation. This part reminds teachers to respect themselves and practice self-discipline. A disciplined teacher prepares lessons, comes on time, and avoid gossips. Basically, they don't join the staff room chica league during office hours. Example of discipline in practice. A teacher who chooses to prepare their lesson instead of scrolling endlessly on TikTok is practicing self-discipline. Hard? Yes. Ethical? Also yes. Section 3. Be a role model. A teacher shall maintain all times a dignified personality, which could serve as a model worthy of emulation by learners, peers, and others. Section 3 reminds teachers to remain a personality worth copying. Students are like security cameras. They record everything, and sometimes they replay it years later at reunions. Example, honesty. A student finds a wallet and give it to the teacher. Instead of saying, "Wala tayong nakita," the teacher returns it to the owner. That action teaches honesty better than a 2-hour lecture on values. Section 4. A teacher shall always recognize the Almighty God or being a guide of his own destiny and of the destinies of men and nations. This section reminds teachers to be guided by higher values, whether through prayer, reflection, or quiet moments. Teachers should remind themselves, be kind, be fair, don't lose patience, especially during exam week. So why Art 11 matters? This article matters because the students don't just copy our notes, they copy our behavior. If we are kind, calm, and professional, they slowly become the same. If not, well, they learned that too. So, the Article 11 teaches us that being a teacher is not just about mastering subjects, but mastering ourselves. We teach with our words, but we inspire with our lives. Thank you, everyone. And remember, be the teacher your students will remember in a good way.